Today, it'll show you how to send photos using a Google Drive link on your mobile phone. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Now tap the plus icon button and choose Folder. Type any name you want for the folder and tap Create. Next, open the folder you just made. Again, tap the plus icon button and choose Upload. Select Gallery and choose all the photos you want to upload. After selecting them, tap Done in the top corner and wait for the upload to finish. Once the photos are uploaded, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the folder. Now tap Share. Tap Change, then select anyone with the link. Wait for it to update it. Finally, tap the link icon to copy the link. Now you can paste this link and send it to anyone, your friends, family, or anyone you want to share the photos with. That's it.